So we'll start with the lesson, that is transpiration. You can hear now? Yeah? Am I audible? Yeah. Size. Okay, so we'll start with the chapter transpiration. Yeah. Now we already know what is transpiration. Transpiration is loss of water from the aerial parts. Okay, aerial parts, when we say any part which is above the root, it can be either stem or leaves, but any part above the root, and the loss of water through this in the form of water vapor. Okay, in the form of water vapor only, then only it is called transpiration. If and only if it is in the form of water vapor, the transpiration, we say it as transpiration. There is also other way of losing water in the form of liquid, which is called guttation, which you will also learn in this chapter. Okay, you will also learn about guttation, that is loss of water from in the form of liquid. Now let us see how the water is absorbed. Okay, so what I have got here is a plant, and this is the root. You all can see this. Now when I dip these roots in water, what the roots will do, the roots will absorb water. When the roots absorb water, the water concentration in these roots will increase. Okay, I'll keep the cup here. You can see, when I dip the roots in water, what the roots will do, the water in these roots will increase. When the water in these roots increases, the pressure of water inside the roots, there will be pressure of water which will force the water to go up. Okay, this will force the water to move up in the stem. Got how the water moves? When the roots are dipped in water, the roots will absorb water, and the water pressure in the roots will increase. When the water pressure in the roots increases, this will force. Okay, when the roots are dipped in water, the water is more in this region, so it pushes the water up. It pushes the water up. Okay, I am back. Now, what happens? You all can hear now? It will push the water up. Now, when the water is going up, the water will also carry other water molecules which are nearby. Now, if in this case, in this cup there is water, when the water from the root is going up, it will absorb the water which is outside also and take in up. It is just like it is sucking the water in. It is sucking the water inside. So what happens? The water moves up in the leaves. When the water is moving up, these are the water molecules. Okay? These are the water molecules. When this water molecule moves up, it will also carry other water molecules which is outside the roots, and this continues up and it will reach towards the leaf, and from leaf it will go out. So it is like it makes a chain of water molecules which continuously goes on in the plant. Continuously absorption of water and transpiration keeps on going on. So this absorbed water will move up, first because of the root water pressure which is there in the root, and second is due to transpiration pool. Okay, the second is called as transpiration pool. Got the reason for continuous flow of water? So water is absorbed because of root pressure, that is water in the root. There is pressure in the water in the roots because of absorption of water, and water moves up. And the second one is transpiration pool. When the water is lost, it tries to pull more water. It is like sucking a soft drink with a straw. If keep on taking in the soft drink. Same with the plant, the vessels which are xylem, it is like a pipe which keeps on absorbing the water. The water goes to the leaves and it is lost in the form of water vapor. That is called as transpiration. Now we will see the three types of transpiration. Three types. First one is stomatal. Okay. Three types of transpiration. First one is stomatal. This you all know it is stomata. It occurs through the stomata. Okay. Now where are these stomata present? These stomata, they are present in the leaf. These stomata, they are present in the leaf. Okay. This is a leaf. I got a small leaf. Or you can say in these leaves there are special opening called as stomata. Okay. There are special opening called as stomata which helps in transpiration, and almost 90% of water is lost because of this.